Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun adventure we are on location in Burlington, North Carolina at a thrift store that always has a lot of stuff, but a thrift store that I don't come to as often as I probably should come to, if that makes any sense. You'll see why once we go in, but this is Good Samaritan Super Thrift Store, a ministry of Alamance County Rescue Missions. So this is a Christian-based thrift store. They do have a donation dock where you can take stuff around back and donate it, like if you're doing some spring cleaning out a garage, a storage unit. But they always have something unique in these doors. As always, I'm going to try to be as respectful as I can to everyone else shopping in here. There's quite a few cars in the parking lot. You can see it's on one of the main drags here in Burlington, North Carolina. But we are going to turn the camera around and look around Good Samaritan Thrift Store. And we are going to go in. It's a nice day, so they have the doors propped open. Senior Discount Day is the first Wednesday of every month. And here you can see some of the prices. Now, I do not come here often, but when I do, I usually find something. They have a nice selection of books. They have more books back in here. Nice, as most thrift stores have, a nice selection of clothing and shoes. They have some nice furniture here. I had a family member get a bookcase here one time. Man, 16 chairs total, 5 apiece, 50 for all. Man, these are old school cafeteria chairs. Wow. Nice. Hey crew. Vanity mirror. Nice selection of glassware. Got some plates as well. And this is a Christian-based store for those curious. They have more clothing over here.
It'll be hard to find the time.
Walking down the toy aisle here. Just trying to show you all what the store has to offer. They do have some nice, slightly used couches. They have some audio equipment here. Some school tables. All television sales are final, no refunds, no exchanges, thank you. Old crate here. Go over here, looks like they have some office supplies. Some binders. Old telescope for $5. You see, they just have so much stuff to look at here. Got little trinkets and knickknacks, just like any good thrift store. And where haven't we been? We'll go back here. They do have gospel music playing in the background. Got a nice workout machine here for $100. Got some roller blades. I could never roller skate, but I was always good on my roller blades when I was younger. Nice selection of helmets here. Some yard tools. Nice industrial shop vac here for $50. They have DVDs, $1 a piece, CDs, 50 cents a piece, and VHS tapes. Wow, really throwing it back for 25 cents a tape. And I think this will be the final area we need to look at. They got linens, shower curtains, blankets, and throws back here. They've got pieces of materials, frames, and portraits. Nice little display case here. Be good to put some nice books or vintage toys in. $20 for this flat screen TV. They got some games going here. Nice cabinet there. Really neat. But as you can see, this store here is a decent size. But I think what we're going to do now, since I just wanted to stop in and show you all around the store and what it has to offer, again, as always with this style of video, the best way to see everything is just to come out for yourselves. But I think we are going to head on down the road. And that crew is going to about wrap up our time at Good Samaritan Thrift Store in Burlington, North Carolina. As with the hope with all the videos I do like this, hopefully it inspires you all to maybe come out to this location if you are ever in Burlington, North Carolina. Again, it's a store that I do not come to very often, but I had it on my mind and I wanted to show it all to you all, and I had the time and I had the cameras with me to where I could just quickly run through and show you what they had to offer. Once again, everything here is 100% donated, and all of the proceeds made goes back to the Alamance County Rescue Mission. What I'll do is what I always try to do with videos like this, and I'll try to leave social media links and the actual address of this store down in the description box below this video. But it is a beautiful day, and as you can see, it is on one of the main drags here in Burlington, North Carolina. But that's going to be about all for this one, crew. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, crew, and remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you all. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you all real soon.